Okay, so I'm going to run you through how to add or how to edit a product on the website. I'll be giving you login details of how to get into this. This is the back end of the website. Basically, yeah, this is what the back end looks like. You can go into the products tab here, all products. And if you want to edit any of the products that I've done already, if you just want to edit something simple in it, like the price or the name, you can go down there and change the price. Just press quick edit. You can actually search for the product up here, and then you can go into the price and just change it up. Simple enough. And don't forget to press update. Okay, if you want to edit it more, you can go into just the normal edit there. But what I'm going to do here is add a new product and show you how to do that. So click on add new there, or you can actually click it on up here, whatever you prefer, it doesn't matter. Click on it up there. Now, going to add this product. Generally, what we should really be doing is typing in the name of the product ourselves, putting in a bit of the product description and the price, and then a short description of what goes beside the product. So just a sentence or two there is all you need, and then more of a kind of description there. Yeah, so but what we've been doing is kind of copying people's websites, just making sure that we're not using their name as such in the description or anything. So I'm going to copy that title, throw it in there, and I sometimes put in the brand at the start of the product so people know what brand it is. Then I might just take the first sentence, or in this case it's a bit short, so I'm going to take the first two sentences. I'm going to throw them into the short description of the product. Then I'll go back to the product again, and I'll take down more of a description there. And I can throw that into the kind of longer description up here at the top. Making sure to remove, if they have a link there, just make sure to remove that so there's nothing going on to their website. Then I've ticked the product, what category the product is in, so that the product goes into that category, obviously. Now we'll move on to price. So this is $14.25. We'll copy that and we'll throw it in there. If you wanted to do like a product on sale, you could put in the before price and after price there. Yeah, that's the guts of it. Now to add an image, we should really be taking these images ourselves, but I've been getting them off Google. So what you want is just a square image. So you can see down here at the bottom it says 795 by 795, and that means it's a square image. So we'll use that one, take that aside, and we'll throw it on our desktop, and then we will go back to the page, and click on set product image. Now we can just drag it in here, or we can upload from our files if we want to search something on our desktop, but I'm just going to drag it in there. Press set product image, and that's pretty much it. Now I do another couple of things to improve. See the way that's your SEO, your search engine results on Google. I do a couple of other things on the products that I'm going to show you, on the product that I'm going to show you now, so it ranks better on Google. The first thing is I give a code to all the products. So I'm going to call this one Studio, and I'm fairly sure this is number 047. Now you don't have to do this, but it will improve your results on Google. Then we'll go down here, we'll just add the keywords. So for this one you might type in, I'll copy this and I'll throw it down here. So I might type in, say, 3 keywords: the brand, say this is a rebalancing one or something like that. And it's a shampoo. You can use up to 5 keywords. Yeah, that's it really. So it says you're 46 out of 100. This will go up when we've published it now. It'll go up a couple of figures, maybe go up to 50 or 60. Yeah, 51. So that gives you the gist of how to add a product. You can click on it here to see what it looks like. You can see we have the product up there, title here. The short description goes underneath there, price, and then your longer description goes underneath there. It's fairly straightforward. There's a bit of work to it, but yeah, that's it. So you can see the short description down there goes in here, so you don't want too long so people don't have to scroll down to the add to cart button. And your longer description then goes in down the bottom. Your brand is there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So say if you wanted to change the price and make this was 16, now 14.25, 14.25, you could update that, and straight away you refresh the page here, and you can see the price shows a was figure. Okay, that's the general gist. You'll probably have a few questions for me, but yeah, that's all.